Today, punta naman tayo sa Oy Spotlight located at Fortress Hill, HK. So this is the outside. There is a little anong tawag dito? Plants. Little tanim nila, which is ay so saging. Lemon, fashion fruits, and cucumber. And there's a mango also. I want to take that one but bawal. Hoy, bawal. So let's go. Let's find out kung ano yung nasa loob ng Oy Spotlight. So this display is not permanent also. There is a deadline but I don't check hanggang kailan siya. So you need to hurry up if you want to come here para maabutan nyo pa. Kasi hindi ko kasi na-check kung kailan yung deadline. And how to get here is I will write down in description box below. So you just check there. So ito yung ano nila display but I don't know what is their theme. And this area para siyang moving painting na nagre-reflect sa mirror. But para siyang nakakahilo tingnan. At sasakit ang yung ulo. Actually, but for me, carry lang. Carry lang ako. Pero yung yung amo ko is para daw siyang nahihilo inside because actually it's moving. So, if you have an eye problem, maybe you will feel a little bit dizzy. But carry lang. So this is the inside, moving paints. Para siyang moving paints na nagre-reflect nga siya sa mirror and then the room will full of colors. Para kung kakantang I see your true colors. Yan, napagod ka girl. Pagod si girl. Buti na lang may upuan outside and then there's a big monitor which is you can see the movie. It's but I don't know what is that movie. I don't understand. So, good thing that there is a upuan outside so we can take a rest. So ito yung labas nga pala. Labas to ng Oy Spotlight. Para siyang old structure na ginawa lang nilang exhibition ng mga paints or yung gusto nilang i-exhibit diyan. Ang tataas ng mga building. Ang ganda, parang mayayaman yata ang nakatira diyan. So this is Fortress Hill. So this is my first time to come in Fortress Hill. And I feel enjoy also. Nag-enjoy ako sa mga dito. Mga paligid-paligid. So that's it. Bye-bye.